Most people post content every day on social media, but they still struggle to get clients. They get views, they get likes, sometimes even comments, but no sales. The problem is not your content. The problem is that you don't have a system that turns attention into paying clients. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your content into a client generating machine. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I help coaches and online brands turn attention into clients using content, ads, emails, marketing, and sales funnels. If you want to grow your online business and attract more clients, make sure you subscribe. Now, let's get into the strategy. Number one, why most content does not bring clients. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They think content alone will bring clients, but content without a system is just noise. Many people post motivational content, post random tips, post without a strategy, and they expect clients to magically appear. But successful business use a client attraction system. Number two, the simple system. Content leads client. Now, here is the simple framework. Content and lead and client. Let me explain. Step 5. 1. Create a valuable content. The first step is content that solves problem. Your content should help your audience solve a problem, learn something new, improve their business or life. For example, if you help coaches grow online, your content could be about how to get clients, how to build a personal brand, how to increase sales. When people see your content solving their problem, they start to trust you. Now, let me show you another step. Capture lead is where most people fail. They post content but do not capture leads. Yes, a lead could be an email subscriber, someone who downloads your guide, someone who joins your newsletter. Instead of just posting content, you should guide people to something valuable. For example, you can offer a free guide or ebook. When people download it, they enter your email list. Now you have a direct connection with them. I mean. Let me show you that nurture with email. Yes, once someone joins your email list, the next step is nurturing the relationship. Email marketing allows you to build trust, share valuable insight, educate your audience, position yourself as an expert over time. People begin to see you as the person who can help them. Let me show you another step again. Present your offer. Now that people trust you, the final step is presenting your offer. This could be coaching, consulting, digital products, services, because they already trust your expertise. They are more likely to buy. That is how content turns into client. So let me recap something for you now. The system: content attracts attention, lead capture the audience, email builds trust, offer generates revenue. That is the content to client system. If you want to learn the exact system for attracting clients online, I created a guide called Leads That Convert, a step-by-step client attraction system. In this book, I break down the strategies business uses to turn attention into predictable revenue. You can check it out in the link in the description or the comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and comment below. Please, if you are watching from YouTube, subscribe to gain more video like this from us. See you in my next video.